What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB. We don't save, we invest. I'm gonna talk about Jumia Technologies, ticker symbol JMIA. Jumia is the Amazon of Africa, guys. Jumia, we have Amazon in America, we got Alibaba in China, and we got Jumia in Africa. My prediction for Jumia is going to $120 by the end of 2021. So it has the potential to double right now. And we know with the expansion and it being in the technology sector, Jumia is going to new places. Guys, Jumia operates an e-commerce platform and mobile payment system in Africa. You heard it right. It's become a darling on Wall Street. Jumia stock has gone from $8 in September to $65 roughly, and the market cap is about $5.8 billion. They're thinking that this market cap can get up to about 15 billion within the next couple years. So you have the potential to 3x your money. So if it goes up to 20 billion, you'll 4x. If it goes to 25 billion, you'll 5x, and so on and so on. So you have, it's still early in the game to get into Jumia. What I would tell you is to buy the dips. So like if Jumia is at $65 and it goes down to 59, put some money in it. If Jumia goes down again to like 57, put more in. When you see the dips, just keep putting in, because as it goes back up, you'll increase more of your profits. That's the name of the game, is to buy low, sell high. But Jumia, we ain't selling. We buying and holding. That's how we make the money. So Jumia, guys, is many Wall Street analysts are bullish on this. Jumia's growth stock, they were down in the gross merchandise value of 28% year over year basis. Jumia went public in August of 2019. Now, Jumia has been changing its product line and mixing it up, and Jumia stock will get to the Amazon and Alibaba level, but in Africa. See, Africa, we know that it's a third world country. They don't have the technologies like us. They don't have the, all the things that we have in America. Jumia is an African stock. So we have to keep our eyes on Jumia. We know technology is going to be a big player. It always has been, and it definitely will be moving forward. Now, Jumia, the price prediction for Jumia right now, analysts see it as it can go into about $80 a share. I see it doubling within the next 3 to 6 months, to be honest with you. So how I would play Jumia, guys, buy and hold. Like I just said, buy the dip, hold, and ride the wave. And you don't want to forget that if you cash out early, within less than a year, you have to pay short-term capital taxes. So you have to pay whatever your state taxes rate is, you'll have to pay it. Now, if you hold long-term, meaning a year or more, you'll pay less. So it's always prudent to buy and hold for a year, especially if you believe in the company and you know that it's going to be expanding, it's going to be growing, it has great earnings potential. Earnings come out soon for Jumia. This is stuff you have to keep mindful of, guys, and cognizant when you buy into these companies. Don't buy into companies because you see people on YouTube talking it. Don't buy into companies because you just follow after somebody. No, do your own DD. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm here to educate you guys on how you can grow your wealth exponentially. So guys, when you're talking about stocks, you also have to be mindful with Jumia in particular that they have some support and resistance, meaning the support is what will keep the stock afloat, where it bounces off of. And then the resistance is where it meets a high and comes down. It bounces off the high. I have a graph that I want you guys to look at, and it'll show you some breakdowns and where some support and resistance is at. We have some resistance at the $65 range. And then we have some more resistance at like the $64 range. And then if we break through that, we have resistance in the $45 range. But we have some support around the $35, $34 range. So you got to keep mindful of this. And you see it right here that it has some support and resistance, guys. Make sure you understand how to read charts, because if you don't understand the charts, you're going to be putting your money into stuff and you don't know what is going on. You don't know how to understand the charts, and you'll lose money. The goal is to make money and to win. So the next stock we're going to talk about is ticker symbol ALYI. This company is Revolt. It's a super penny stock. I did a video on this previously. Now, this stock, when I did a video, it was 3 cents. Hashtag 3 cents. Make sure y'all leave me a comment below and let me know if you big into Jumia or if you want to buy ALYI. Now, ALYI jumped to about 20 cents, guys. So it already 7x from the 3 cents. And now it's on a dip. It's down today 8%. It's currently sitting at 13 cents. Now, they're coming out with their own Revolt token also. And the video, I did an in-depth video on it. It's going to be the only company that has the EV motorcycle. Alternate systems, guys. EV motorcycle, it's not no scam. This is going to be real. It's going to be in Africa as well. So we know that Jumia's going to do big things in technology. ALYI is doing things with the EV realm for Africa. Africa, they don't have the, the great luxurious life like us here in America and whatever country you may be in at, any place you may be in at. They don't have that. So as Africa develops and expands and grows with technology and EV, come on, you already know this is going to the moon. My stock price prediction for ALYI, I see it going to $1 within the next 3 to 6 months. It has to get past its support line around about break its resistance about 20 cents. And after that, it's going to the moon, baby. We going to the moon. So this is a great company to get into. The market cap is only 14.8 million. So if the market cap gets to 150 million, you already will 10x your money. So you will go from there. You 15x, boom, so on and so forth. And our word of the day is diversification. Diversification in your portfolio is good. You'll be able to manage your risk and keep and spread the wealth amongst other stocks, guys. The name of the game is to spread the love, so that if you invest, let's say in Apple, and then you invest in, let's say, a high risk stock, Apple can balance out the fluctuation with your high risk. So you have to have your stocks spread out. That's why you have to have a diversified portfolio. We all know that diversification is always a positive thing, whether it's in our regular life, the stock market, or whatever it can be, right? It's just like for our children. We want them to be diversified. We want them to be multifaceted. This is great for regular life in the stock market. So the general market has its risk anyway. So if you diversify, you decrease your risk. That's all I have for you today. It's your boy JB. We don't save, we invest. I love you guys. I'm out.